everyone. Okay, so this is my last, the Stamps of Life monthly kit club. I canceled it. So this I think is July. I want to say this is July, but I'm not positive. Let's look. So it is, does it say? Does it say what month this is? I'm pretty sure it's either June or July. It is Pelicans to Stamp. So it's Pelicans. My husband bought me a new car, and I was like, you know what, our payments are high, and I was like, you know what, let me just get rid of stuff that I know I don't really, you know, I haven't been using these. I haven't used them in 2 years, but I keep, you know, buying them because I love them. And so I wanted to get rid of stuff that I don't really use anymore, and that's these. So I canceled that subscription, and then this is the last one also. This is, oh, so July. Yeah, July was my last club. And this is a Fold It club. It's a turtle with the little samples. And oh, this is so cute. And this is the, you get the stencil. But look at the turtle. How cute is that one? I love it. Oh, look at, I love her. I love her stuff. I really do. I just haven't been using it, so it's okay. Now, I did decide, so I kept, I already opened this. I kept LaLa Land Crafts. And that I think is like $49 or $50 a month. And I also kept Spellbinders. I got rid of Buttons Galore, so I no longer will get that one. And I kept Pip Sticks. So I have 3 subscriptions still that I adore and I don't want to get rid of. I was thinking about getting rid of this one, but I really love their stuff. So I can't justify getting rid of it. Not just yet. So this is July's kit. Also, I'm behind on everything. I think I have June, July, or I may have May, June. No, I have June, July of Spellbinders I still have to unbox. And yeah, so I'm way behind, you guys. But that is the, these are the dies right here. These are the dies, and then these are the Marcy, and then her friends right here. Oh, Mahalo. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah, it sucks about Maui, so hopefully, you know, hopefully, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, everything's so devastating, and it's just horrible. Horrible loss of life, wildlife, everything, just, it's all devastating. So, okay, so that's LaLa Land. So that is it, you guys. So I will be back with LaLa Land and Pip Sticks and Spellbinders only from now on. We'll see you guys. Bye. Okay, guys, I had one more LaLa Land I found. So this is June's. I didn't do June's either. Oh my gosh, you guys. So June and July is here, and August gets charged on the 15th. So I was only 2 months behind. So, okay, so this one was June. Oh, I see the manatees. Let's see. Here's the dies right here. And that is the kit. Oh, it's Under the Sea. So this is June's. Oh, look at the whale. Oh, the whale is so cute. Rocks and coral. Oh my goodness. And yeah, the manatees. I love it. Oh my gosh, how cute. So, okay, now I'm back on track with LaLa Land. Alright guys, see you again. Bye.